Most contractors choose a GPS tracking app for the wrong reason. They focus on maps and vehicle locations, but ignore the features that actually save time, improve dispatching, and increase profits. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best GPS tracking app is not the one with the most tracking dots on a screen. It's the one that helps your team get more jobs done every day. In this video, you'll learn the best GPS tracking apps for contractors in 2026, who they're best for, and how to choose the right option for your business without overspending. Let's start with the quick answer. If you want an all-in-one contractor management platform with GPS tracking included, Service@Titan remains one of the strongest choices. It combines technician tracking, scheduling, dispatching, customer management, and reporting into a single system. For larger HVAC, plumbing, or electrical companies, that's a major advantage. But here's the problem. Not every contractor needs an enterprise-level platform. This is where most people fail. They buy software designed for a company with 50 technicians when they only have 5 time. For small and medium-sized contractors, HouseCall Pro continues to be a popular choice. Its GPS tracking features help office staff see technician locations, optimize routes, and improve customer communication. If Jake owns a small electrical business, this type of solution often provides the right balance between features and simplicity. Now here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes dedicated GPS platforms outperform all-in-one field service software when tracking is your top priority. Apps like Verizon Connect and Samsara are often used by contractors with larger vehicle fleets. They provide advanced vehicle tracking, route optimization, driver monitoring, and fleet management tools. For companies managing dozens of trucks, these features can create significant efficiency gains. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to determine which category fits your business. First, ask yourself one question. Do you need GPS tracking only, or do you also need scheduling, invoicing, dispatching, and customer management? For example, Alex runs a plumbing company with 8 technicians. If he only tracks vehicles, he solves one problem. But if his software also handles dispatching and invoicing, he streamlines his entire operation. But here's another mistake contractors make. They focus solely on monthly cost. What really matters is return on investment. If GPS tracking helps reduce drive time by just 20 minutes per technician each day, those savings can add up quickly. Now here's the biggest takeaway. Contractors generally fall into 2 groups. Those who need complete field service management and those who primarily need fleet tracking. Understanding which group you belong to makes the decision much easier. For all-in-one contractor management, Service@Titan and HouseCall Pro remain strong options. For dedicated fleet and vehicle tracking, Verizon Connect and Samsara are among the leading choices. Choose the platform that solves your biggest operational problem today while giving you room to grow tomorrow. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more contractor software reviews, and comment below with the GPS tracking solution you're considering for 2026.